Hello YouTube. In this video, I will be talking about the technologies I frequently use and you will see used in my videos. Number 1. Python 3.9. This kind of goes without saying, but yes, I will be using Python in my Python tutorial videos. I use 3.9. The version shouldn't matter too much. I recommend getting the most recent version of Python when you go to install it. As long as you are using Python 3 and not Python 2, I wouldn't expect many issues in following along with me. Number 2. Visual Studio Code. VS Code is an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. IDEs make a developer's life much easier. I like VS Code because it has a lot of extensions that make programming even easier. You can use any IDE you want, or if you are a hardcore programmer, you can follow along with just a text editor such as Notepad or Vim, but I will be using VS Code. Number 3. I will be doing most of my programming on a Windows 10 machine. This is my desktop. It is big and clunky, but it is fast, and it's hooked up to 3 monitors, so it definitely speeds up productivity for me. I do have a MacBook Air with the M1 chipset. I may use this from time to time, but I doubt I will record many videos from that machine. I may also use virtual machines sometimes. I have a Ubuntu and a Windows 10 virtual machine setup, but I will only use this in the cases where there's a discrepancy between operating systems, such as in the Python installation. You can use any operating system you have. That is the beauty of Python. It's machine independent, but just know that there may be some differences in things like terminal commands. I will try my best to be inclusive of all operating systems and show how to do everything in my videos on Mac, Windows, and Ubuntu Linux. Thanks for watching. This should clear up any confusions you may have about what I am using in my videos. I do have a Discord server set up as I want to build a community of Python developers as another resource to you and all of its members. The link to the Discord is in the video's description. It is 100% free to join. As much as I want you to join, I totally understand if that isn't your scene. Also, if you enjoyed this video, do consider liking and subscribing to my channel so we can continue to grow our community. Thanks again.